There's no debating the fact that Ford is nuking its competitors in the pickup sales war. Last year, total Ford F-Series sales outmuscled the Chevrolet Silverado light and heavy-duty truck sales by 245,923, a margin that's greater than the total number of GMC Sierras and Nissan Titans sold last year. A case could therefore probably have been made for redirecting mid-cycle development dollars elsewhere, but let's face it, no dominant world power ever truly slashes its defense budget. Hence the arsenal of upgrades rolling out on the 2018 Ford F-150 includes some dramatic powertrain spiffs. Ford dubs its base 3.3-liter naturally aspirated and 2.7-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost engines all new, a moniker that's only partially hyperbolic. The 3.3-liter is heavily based on the 3.5-liter it replaces, but it has brand new cylinder heads that make accommodation for both port and direct fuel injection. The bore and stroke are reduced by about 2.0 and 1.0 millimeters, respectively. The 2.7-liter represents the second generation of this compacted graphite iron block engine, with lightened cams driven by a new dual-chain setup that saves weight and reduces friction. A new electrically actuated wastegate provides more accurate turbo boost control. It also gets the port direct injection setup, as does the merely enhanced 5.0-liter V8. Enhancements include Ford's first mass-produced application of the plasma-transferred wire arc spray cylinder bore lining process Ford introduced on the GT350's 5.2-liter engine. All engines also get auto engine start-stop, and all but the base 3.3-liter get mounted to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Note that the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 got the dual injection, auto start-stop, 2-stage or fully variable oil pumps, and the 10-speed tranny last year in normal and high-output Raptor states of tune. Why spend so much money doubling the injector count and adding an additional higher-pressure fuel delivery circuit on all these engines? To boost both economy and performance,